If you are touching an app on your Samsung phone like this one, and if it takes long time to respond, then let us see what to do. Go to settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Select interaction and dexterity. Select touch and hold delay. Now you should have selected short. If you select long, then what happens is you have to press for longer time so that the touch will be responded. For example, if I go here and touch YouTube, then I have to press for long time so that there is any response. So make sure to have this as short and then select try out. Then you can just tap and select done. So once you do this one, then the app icon or the home screen will respond quickly when you touch on it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.